how to change the country of residence of your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you are also wondering how you can change the country of residence of your YouTube channel, then all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is simply open up your YouTube Studios application. So in order to do this, head on to the profile of your YouTube account and simply choose the YouTube Studio option. Then it will lead you to the YouTube Studios. Then once you're inside the YouTube Studios, simply click on the settings button. Then inside the settings, you can see the channel option. Click on the channel, and from here you can simply choose any country of residence. Then once you have chosen the country of residence, don't forget to click on the save button right here. Once you have done that, you will be all set and your new country of residence will apply for your YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.